Ever wondered how those sleek, modern payment apps manage to link to your bank accounts so effortlessly? Or how online stores can instantly verify your bank details? Well, the magic behind these seamless transactions often lies in a technology called Flinks. In today's digital age, we've become accustomed to the convenience of online payments. We can shop, transfer money, and pay bills with just a few taps on our smartphones. But how do these platforms securely connect to our bank accounts? Traditional methods, like manual account linking or screen scraping, are often time-consuming and prone to errors. Flinks, on the other hand, offers a more efficient and secure solution. What is Flinks? Flinks is a cutting-edge technology that enables seamless and secure connections between financial institutions and third-party applications. It acts as a bridge, allowing these applications to access your financial data without compromising your privacy. How does Flinks work? User consent. When you authorize an app to access your financial data, you are essentially granting permission to Flinks. API integration. The app integrates with Flinks API, a set of rules and protocols that govern data exchange. Secure data transfer. Flinks securely fetches the necessary financial data from your bank using industry-standard encryption techniques. Real-time updates. Flinks ensures that the data you see in the app is always up to date, providing you with a real-time view of your finances. Benefits of Flinks. Enhanced security. Flinks prioritizes security by using robust encryption methods and adhering to strict data privacy regulations. Seamless user experience. By automating the account linking process, Flinks saves you time and effort. Real-time data. Flinks provides real-time access to your financial information, empowering you to make informed decisions. Wide application. Flinks is used by a wide range of financial applications, from budgeting apps to investment platforms. Use cases of Flinks. Banking apps. Flinks enables you to easily connect your bank accounts to your banking app, allowing you to view your balance, transfer funds, and pay bills. Investment apps. Flinks simplifies the process of linking your investment accounts, enabling you to track your portfolio performance and make informed investment decisions. Payment apps. Flinks allows payment apps to securely access your bank account information, making it easier to send and receive money. Financial management apps. Flinks helps financial management apps categorize your transactions, track your spending, and provide personalized financial insights. The future of Flinks. As technology continues to evolve, Flinks is poised to play an even more significant role in the future of finance. With its focus on security, efficiency, and user experience, Flinks is shaping the way we interact with our finances. Flinks is a powerful technology that is revolutionizing the way we manage our money. By providing a secure and efficient way to connect to our financial institutions, Flinks empowers us to take control of our finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.